I bet he's coming this way. Alright, we got some music playing, folks, for you. You're listening, enjoyment, pleasure. We are on the front line. Oh, I felt a raindrop.
So looking forward to this. We're back. Did you enjoy your dinner? Did you enjoy your libations? Did you get out and see some stuff? Well, you're going to see some stuff.
We're going to see some
You're
stuff.
going to see some stuff tonight. We're so looking forward to this. Air show announcer Brittany here. And you've got some kind of an apparatus in your hand that people are going to be handing out from Redline, which will let you be a big part of what's going on tonight. What is that you have?
That's right, a special treat on behalf of Sun and Fun and Redline Air Show. We have glowing wands, and the team is going to be going up and down the show line handing out the glowing wands. Now a reminder, I would save the battery. There will be a special point in the middle of the evening show. You'll know when it is to turn on those lights.
Does it come with instructions?
Rick, you just pull this little tab at the bottom.
Not now.
I got them.
And push the button.
Is that what she's talking about, these?
We're going to light up not only the sky, but on the ground with Redline Air Shows.
I think they're going to give us other ones.
They're going to give us some more ones.
Yeah, something
More
else, I think.
More effects than they've ever done to celebrate the 250th. And our theme this year, Sun and Fun 52, red, white, and blue.
Red, white, and blue. Mr. Red, White, and Blue laid down his life. Mr. Red, White, and Blue. For these stars and stripes. Mr. Red, White, and Blue. Okay, we got something taking off here, guys. And the Titans are taking off.
Please wait until we turn the lights back up after the show so you have a safe exit. If you have to move around in the dark, remember to use the flashlight on your phone. And be kind to one another. It's a big crowd tonight. There's not a lot of wiggle room. So be careful when you're moving around. Stay on the correct side of the fences. Don't push them out or we have to stop the show. Don't get on the wrong side of them. Stay hydrated even tonight. You can dehydrate pretty quickly even in the wind.
I'm already dehydrated.
No smoking. And have a great time.
I was hurting, folks. About 15 minutes ago, I had a cramp in my stomach. Thought I was going to have to call 911. Much better now that the action started and things are going on. But it hurt, I promise you. Felt like my appendix was going bad or something. Right on the taxiway for the runway. That's the airport, air traffic control tower, right there straight across. Lakeland Linder International Airport. No, Lakeland Linder Airport. Regional. We've got to save this battery though, because we're going to just bring you clips and everything. I'm gonna turn you off right now.